How to find the right mutual fund. The mutual fund industry requires customers that buy their funds and never sell them. So naturally they disseminate a lot of editorial decrying any trading market timing or reallocating that includes selling their mutual funds. This non-selling concept gets more ridiculous and hypocritical every year as scandals continue to trickle into the news regarding brokerage firm and mutual fund behavior. It turns out that the professionals running the mutual funds do a lot of trading market timing and reallocating every day, but somehow if you do this on your own you'll ruin your portfolio. Whatever the manner you want to address investment and portfolio maintenance, you need to start building your own trading rules checklists for what to do before you enter a trade and what could possibly trigger your exit of a position. Keep a journal to see how your rules are growing your account, to notice which of them needs to be changed, eliminated, or updated. All of this is the maintenance required for the $25 mutual fund investment, so that it doesn't become a $0.25 investment from neglect.